My future employer, my name is Cheryl Loren Gonzalez, 42 years old. I am from Philippines. I am married. I have 5 kids, 3 sons and 2 daughters. We are 8 siblings, 5 brothers and 3 sisters. I am 3 among the siblings. I am a senior high graduate. I have work experience before in Kuwait from 2016 to 2023. I serve 7 members of the family. My main duties is doing household chores like cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and cooking basic foods. And also a babysitter of 4 babies, ages 2 years old, 3 years old, 5 years old, and 7 years old. I also work in UAE from January 28, 2023 to February 26, 2025. I serve also 7 members of the family. My main duties is doing a household chores like cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, gardening. And also, I know how to make dough for making patayer. I wanted to work them to help my family and to support the needs of my 5 kids. If you give me a chance to work with you, Madam and Sir, I will do my responsibilities with love, patience, and honest. I am a hardworking, loyal, and honest. Thank you and have a good day.